invite you to a place that I don't know.
Hello there, I'm Lara, aka Giant Cheerio. I'm a bikepacker. Until today I cycled 3,250 kilometers. I started in Germany and right now I'm in Spain, in Cadiz. And I'm about to hop on the ferry to go to the Canary Islands, and I thought I might just start my YouTube channel by taking you with me. I'm gonna go to Tenerife, and I thought I might just start and I'll show you what I did within the last days. Enjoy watching. I'll see you on the ferry. Cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios. Yeah, the weather is perfectly fine for riding. No, it's not. It's shitty and it's raining and it's cold. But anyway, hi how, let's go. Let's go to Tenerife. And some friends along the way. Hello. Hi. Moo. Always nice to have some company along the way. So it's raining cats and dogs and it's no fun at all. This is disgusting. What? Disgusting and rainy weather. My feet are wet and everything's wet. After riding an hour, I found a little hut or shelter. You know, it's just a tiny little spot and it's dry, but it also stopped raining. And I'm not gonna ride to Cadiz today. I will stop in Bologna because there's a friend of mine and I can sleep in his camper van, which is really cool. So I don't have to spend the night outside because I hate sleeping outside when it's raining. Good morning. I spent the night at a nice little camping spot or nice little beach at my friend's camper van. And today I just thought I might do some bike maintenance because I haven't been doing that in quite a while. Yeah, I'm cleaning my bike. I clean these little things here because of all the salt and the seawater. And then tomorrow I might hop on my bike again and finish my ride to Cadiz. So I cycled 46 kilometers. I'm having lunch break, bread, hummus. To be honest, I made a mistake. Today was the first time I was tracking my pace. As I was tracking my pace, I was like, oh, I have to go faster and faster and faster. My body feels weak, I'm tired. Yeah, 40 more kilometers and I just want to reach Cadiz. And I want to lay down and do nothing. So I reached Cadiz. I arrived. I survived. I'm just glad I'm here. I don't know what time it is. I think it's 6 p.m. Of course I didn't ride all day long, but still I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go find my hostel now. And yeah, then tomorrow I'll go and find a ferry ticket shop seller, whatever. I'll see, but I'm done. Saying bye bye and good night. See you tomorrow. bye bye, cheerio, salut, adios, whatever. I'm tired. Hello. I've been spending 3 days in a hostel now, and I explored Cadiz a bit. I'm pretty cold, I'm pretty tired, but today I'm gonna go and buy the ferry ticket. I hope I'll get one, see how it works, and I hope the ferry is leaving tomorrow. Yeah, hey ho, let's go buy the ferry ticket.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello, so I just bought the ferry ticket. I'm gonna leave the mainland tomorrow, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's go to Tenerife. I have to get ready, pack my stuff, and then sleep one more night in the hostel, and then I'm off. Now it's time to pack my chaos. I'm a bit tired, but I'm excited to hop on the ferry. Finally, the excitement is coming. I was having low days, but now I'm ready, like almost ready. I mean, look at my hair. I need to brush my hair, brush my teeth, and then I'm ready to go. Hi, go, let's go. So I'm at the harbor and about to get on the ferry over there. That's mine. There I am, there's my ferry. It's exciting. I just left my bike over there and I got all my bags, and now I'm gonna go to the 5th floor. Okay, here I am. I'm on the boat now. There are my bags. My bike is downstairs. We just left the mainland. Over there is Cadiz. That's the ferry. And I'll just spend the next 2 days on this little ship. Hello. I'm on my way to search a place to sleep. I got everything. Like, I got my sleeping bag and my air mattress. So, yeah, let's find a spot for a cozy night. And I think I'm just gonna lay myself down there. Morning. I just woke up. I can't say much because I'm tired and I need coffee first. But look at this, it's really beautiful. Hello. I've just had breakfast and we're about to reach Tenerife. The weather is sunny. Everything's good. I had a good sleep. I slept like a baby. When that boat is moving, it makes me fall asleep real quick. My 2 days on the ferry are over. Now my life on the island might begin. So there's Tenerife. I spent 2 days on the ferry now. The time passed real quick. I was working a lot, I was editing videos, reading a little bit. Oh, and I ate a lot. Now my new life on an island starts. I'm gonna show you the island for a second. To be honest, I'm a bit excited for when I get off because I don't know where to go, I don't know what to do. I think I might just grab my bike, go to a place and then figure out what to do. But to be honest, I feel like settling down for a bit. So right now I'm packing my stuff. I have to repack. Everything's perfectly fine. My raincoat, hope I won't need that. Toilet paper, very important. Oof. I don't know where to start. I'm just like, I don't know what to pack. I don't know what to do. I got this. I feel like finding a place to stay for like 3, 4 or 5 weeks, because being on the road for such a long time makes me feel a bit sleepy, tired, and I need to get my energy back. We'll see. I'll see you on the island. So, hello. I made it. Actually, I don't know what to say because I just arrived. I feel good. I feel happy. But there's one thing. Now I'm here and I just don't know where to go. It's like I can go everywhere I want to go, and I just don't know what to do. But that's totally fine. I arrived. I'm here. Yes. So this is gonna be a new chapter of my life. Hello Tenerife, here I come. I think this is gonna be the end of my first YouTube video. I arrived, I'm here. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios.